Umbraco Award for Best Certified Partner Solution. In the category Best Certified Partner Solution, we'll choose among the best certified solutions of 2020. Certified partners are among the top agencies when it comes to knowledge about Umbraco. With access to training and knowledge from Umbraco HQ, they're able to build very impressive solutions. And the nominees are True People, with the site for Brandweer, the Netherlands fire service. The fire department of the Netherlands has over 150 editors creating and editing content of their website for 25 Dutch safety regions. They do this by creating new pages and reusing content created by a national or regional chief editor. Since the content they can choose from is about 5,000 shared content items, it's hard to know what content to choose. This project's main goal was to improve the editor's experience by making it even more friendly. True People took full advantage of the capabilities from the built-in infinite editing services and extended it even more. For example, they added the action menu to the picker tree so they can manage their content from the current node they're on. True People also improved the search functionality and the search overview so editors could easily look up the content they needed. AGAP2IT DXS with the site agap2it.pt. This project aims to present the new AGAP2IT institutional website and its new business offers. The main objective of the solution is to allow editing web content, including recruitment, media, projects, products, and other info by different company departments such as marketing or IT recruitment. In the new solution, the marketing team, for example, now has the possibility to add office locations to a map using Umbraco Back Office, where they can manage them in order to reflect the company's European expansion. Another important customization is the offers menu, where they can see full sub-pages zoom in and out, which is also managed in Umbraco Back Office. PDMS signed up Skills with the site for Herfordshire Local Enterprise. PDMS identified a need for a one-stop shop service, which aggregates data on job vacancies, apprenticeship opportunities, and higher education courses. They decided to use Umbraco for this new solution, and the result is Signed Up Skills, a highly configurable labor market solution. The flexibility of the portal allowed one of their customers to quickly create and market a COVID-19 response within a couple of days, highlighting redeployment opportunities for workers in the Hertfordshire region who found themselves without a job.